Welcome to Kalpa's Khazana, and in this video we going to make aloo soya chunks curry. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, half spoon mustard seeds, half spoon cumin seeds, and few curry leaves. Fry them and add boiled and chopped potatoes. Now stir them for a minute. Add a small cup of methi leaves, salt as per taste, quarter spoon of turmeric, quarter spoon of red chilli powder. Mix them well. Now add slightly boiled soya chunks. Half spoon chilli powder, half spoon garam masala, and mix it well. And stir them occasionally for 2 minutes. Aloo soya chunks curry is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.